Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to create a password for Instagram account on iPhone. Please write me if my solution helped you, if it worked for you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, go to Instagram on any device. Then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy. Meta Account Center. Scroll down to the bottom. Password and Security. At the top, change password. Select your current Instagram profile. And then we need to enter our old password, which was changed for me on 04.04/2021. After that, click New Password. Make a new password and confirm it here. Don't forget that your password must be at least 6 characters long and include a capital letter, period, exclamation marks, dashes, and so on. If you forget your password, you click Forgot Password. Then you can recover it using your email or phone number. And you will need to make up a new password. Click Change Password and it will be saved. A simple way to do it. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.